What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so you guys asked for daily vlogs. Well, we didn't ask, but you guys voted for daily vlogs, so I'm gonna get you guys some daily vlogs. Today we are going out to the printer's warehouse. We're gonna go check out everything they have and how the store is, because I'm actually gonna start making the shirts here at home, either with heat press vinyl or heat transfer vinyl, or plastic sole heat transfers. Most likely plastic sole heat transfers for shirts and sweaters and all that. And then we'll still do the hats with embroidery and everything. So yeah, guys, so then we're gonna go try some tacos out that somebody hit me up that I should go try. We might have them out of meat also. And then after that, we're gonna be doing some stuff with the Denali. One of my boys is coming over, so stay tuned, guys. Coming along, we got little Ceci right here. Mom just got home over there. And my girls right here.
Hi, Mama.
And we're gonna be taking the Silverado because I don't know if you guys been keeping up with my Instagram, but we might be trading it in, guys. Well, yeah, most likely we are trading it in. I'm looking for a car, maybe even a 4-door, but we'll see, guys. Look at that trash can. I'm gonna miss this truck. If any of you guys are actually interested in buying the truck, let me know. I just need somebody to take over payments, pretty much. I'm not asking for more than what I've already paid for, so just need someone to take over, and then I'll buy another vehicle. Just let me know. Hit me up on my Instagram, my email. It's all down there. Who's that, Mama? Let's get her reaction on a pull.
On a what?
On a pull. Look, she already likes the sound. You ready? It's just a little baby pull, because she a baby. I think it's the wind. Yeah. All right, first stop, guys. It's Starbucks. We're going, babe.
Hi, welcome. What can I get started for you?
Can I get a tall caramel macchiato upside down?
Is it hot or ice?
Iced? Bumblebee. Here we are, guys. Printer Supply Warehouse, Montclair. Let's check it out. I've never been here before. Make sure you guys are wearing your masks in public, especially at meets and everything. So for our next meet, make sure you wear a mask. Just try to stay safe. All right, guys, so I didn't really show you around because they could only allow like one person in at the back at a time. But look at this vinyl I got. This is gonna be the next banner for the Denali clone. Look at that. God damn. That's right. Sick. I don't. Mine, I know. Fuck. God damn, look at those fucking blast pipes. Holy shit. God damn. Oh, you gotta film it again. Oh, thick. Look at that. Alright, we're right here at the taco spot right here. They invited me over. Got my boy Marco right here. Let's go try out these tacos. Yeah. Alright, here's the spot. Guacamaya. Taquería La Guacamaya.
What's going on, man?
That's right. What's up, bro?
What's going on? Oh, my bad.
Take your hand in now.
So what do you think?
Right here for a meet?
Yeah.
The
bank closes early.
Nice.
Alright.
That's right.
Alright, what's up, you guys? Right here, this is our taco spot, Taqueria La Guacamaya. We're here on Foothill Boulevard, 409E, Foothill Boulevard, right in front of the Bank of America. Yeah, just follow us right here. That's our Instagram. We'll be here Tuesday through about Saturday. Usually Sundays and Mondays we'll try to be here, but we're usually off on those days.
We'll be doing a meet here pretty soon, guys. So be ready. Let's drink to that one. All right, looks like Marco's enjoying them. So let's put that way over there. Look at that, guys. Check it out. That was bomb. All right, Marco said this red sauce was good, so I'm gonna take his word for it. My mouth is already watering. Let's put some limon. All right, let's see. It's falling. It's falling. Oh yeah. The meat has good taste to it. It's not chewy at all. It's perfect. I posted it on Instagram that we're here. We got somebody else right here. That's right. Alright guys, so make sure you guys check out those tacos. They're freaking bomb. Now we're on our way home. We're gonna install some side skirts and running boards on this truck. Not this truck, the white truck, to see how it looks. Just to mess around, because that was gonna be funny. The Mopars. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna show you the side skirt that we're gonna be putting on the truck. Yeah, bro, you're good.
Put the ones on here.
You should have them too.
Here, right?
Yeah, they're hidden. Damn, that's gonna look crazy. That's gonna match with that. Alright, let's go check them out. They're at the side of my house because I don't use them. Here they are. You just gotta put some fucking grip tape on there. Cause you see how they hang? Like they hook onto us? Try this one on first.
That's the front.
This is the back on the passenger side. Your lip. Oh shit, nah, dude. But imagine. Oh shit.
I'll make that shit good, bro. Don't worry about that.
What you mean it's gonna break? It's gonna mess up my wheels. I mean your wheels.
Nah, my
Straight up paisa. Damn.
A little lip.
Cut this whole piece right here and then just put like a two-sided tape on there. This is like rice squache. Bro, imagine that. God damn. You'd be like 2 inches off the ground.
That shit would look sick, bro.
You want to try the front instead?
Yeah.
Alright. How are you enjoying the Rocket Bunny kit?
Sick.
This is heavy. She's metal. Rocket Bunny kit. La Mamalona Rocket Bunny kit. You want me to get the bolts? We could bolt some down. Holy shit. You're gonna what?
I'll break that shit.
God damn.
Este trabajo no es fácil, es muy discreto, pero pocos saben de esta vida que vivo yo. Con ropa de marca
Look at this dude.
y sembrando la hierba y con negocios buenos la noche no se duerma.
Wait, where does it fucking go? Right there?
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on.
Dog.
What?
Sell this shit.
Yeah, you can keep it after. Put the jack right here. Oh, that's true. Come on, go right there. Oh, you're good.
Why?
Everybody was pissed.
Did I put the steps off? Had to go higher. What'd they say?
You haven't looked at the comments of your video?
Nah.
Go fit it.
You don't want to put the jacker? Need some spacers now.
Huh?
You're gonna need some spacers now.
So it could be out wide?
Should be flush.
Oh shit, nah bro.
What?
Nah, watch, come here. Feel this right here.
Sticking out?
This right here is gonna, right here? That's just gonna hit the tire. As soon as we drop it.
What do you mean?
Nah bro. I kinda wanna drop it though.
Like that?
Damn. That looks crazy. I think it look better on yours. Alright bro, tell them why we're not gonna leave it on.
It didn't fit.
Yeah. Just like you said, guys. The original plan was to install the whole thing, drop the truck, and cruise with it a little bit. Scrape some concrete off the street. But here, let me show you guys. Right here, look. If you see this piece right here, the lip pretty much is gonna hit the tire right away. And on his truck, it's gonna hit the fucking lip of his fucking intro. So yeah, we can't do it today. But he's gonna take them and he's gonna modify them. So that's why we can't leave it on. Should look fucking crazy though. They look like this truck right here on the ground. Look at that. Next time, guys, for another video. Once it's modified by Marco's Customs. Alright, so like I said, Marco's gonna be taking these side skirt steps, and like I said, he's gonna be modifying them so it could fit his truck and my truck as well, so we can slap them on, see how they look cruising on the freeway, scraping and shit, sparks flying everywhere, 4th of July looking, Scrape Nation looking, Swello Mob. That's all I could come up with. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember, daily vlogs, so tomorrow there'll be another video, so enjoy this one. Peace out, guys. That's right. Oh, he's selling these wheels, so if you guys wanna buy these wheels off him, hit him up on his Instagram.
RWD Marco 35. Let me know. That's it.
He got these wheels for like fucking $4 grand, just the wheels, not even the tires, and these tires are still good. So that's a freaking steal. So yeah, hit him up, guys. Peace out, everybody. TCB.